All right, so if you're getting clicking noise on your MS810DN, it's most likely caused by the tray 2 not lifting properly. So you want to do is make sure that this metal plate is able to lift up and down somewhat freely. There's two methods of doing that. One, lifting up the metal plate manually like that. Two is the method in which the machine lifts it up, and that's via this gear right here. If there's any major resistance here, then that's going to be the cause of the clicking issue. Another thing that you want to review is make sure that there's no tape or packaging material that would prevent this gear from lifting up. If this is unable to lift up, then you're going to have clicking noise. You also want to make sure the gear on the printer side is able to move somewhat freely. There will be resistance because there is a motor there, but that's what connects to here in order to lift this metal plate.